Hi, my name is Afrina Batrisha binti Muhammad Ashana Zaihi. My student ID is 2025 863532.
Hi, my name is Nur Emla Shafika. My student ID is 2025 862004.
Hi, my name is Sitina Shahira binti Ibrahim. My student ID is 2025 201394.
Hi, my name is Narisma Zahira binti Mazri and my student ID is 2025 464734. That's all. Bye!
Question 1. Maria, a talented artist, won first place in a reality show competition and received a 300,000 prize. She decided to invest most of his winnings in a financial institution earning 3.35% interest compound money, setting aside a portion for personal life. Her goal is to use the investment income to open his own art gallery. After 6 years, his investment is worth 215,594 and 15 cents. Question A. How much of her prize money did Maria initially invest? Okay. The formula is interest formula is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I bracket the power of n. So we need to find P. Okay. So we need to insert all information on formula. Firstly, S is 215, 594 and 51 cents equal P. In bracket 1 plus 0.035% bracket the power of 12 multiple 7. Then you can get the final answer. The final answer is 198, 276 and 57 cents. Okay, the question B is what was the accumulated interest over the 7 years period? So you have to find interest. Okay. The formula of interest is I equal S minus P. You must have to insert all information. Yes. So it is 215, 594, 51 cents and 51 cents minus 198, 276 and 57 cents. Then you can get the final answer is 2,317 and 19.5 cents. C. How long did it take for Maria to earn 300,000 from her initial investment? Okay, we need to use interest formula, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I the power of n. So we need to insert S is 300,000, P is 198,276.5 cents. Then 300,000 need multiply 198,276.565 cents, which the answer is 1.5 on 304 equal in bracket 1.00279 the power of 12 t. 12t because we need to find t. 12t log 1.00279 1 equal log 1.51324. Then log 1.304 per log 1.00279 1 and we get 148.5842. After that we need to divide 12 and the answer is 12.38. To find months 0.38 multiply 12 we get 4.56 and the final answer is 12 years 5 months. What nominal rate compound quarterly would result in the 5-year period to earn 300,000? Multiplying the periodic rate of investment. We need to use the interest formula, which is S equal P in bracket 1 plus I the power of n. So we need to find K. 300,000 equal 198,276.5 in bracket 1 plus K per m is 4. The power of n is 20. We need to divide 300,000 with 198,276.565. We get the answer 1.51304 equal with in bracket 1 plus k per 4 the power of 20. After that, we get 1.0209 minus 1 and we get 0.0209 multiplied 4. The periodic rate of the investment is 8.37%.
Good day everyone. Today I'm going to explain case study 2 which involves compound interest and annuity calculation. With your deposit RM15000 in an account that pay 5% compound quarterly, 5 years later she withdraw all her savings to pay a down payment on the purchase of a short lot costing RM15000. The balance is to be settled through equal monthly payment for the next 8 years at an interest rate of 9.5% compound monthly. Calculate the value of the monthly payment. First, we are given the principal which is RM15000. The interest rate is 5% per year, compound quarterly, which means M equal 4. The time period is 5 years. To find the feature value, we use this formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n, where P is the principal, I is the interest rate per period, and n is the total number of period. So the interest per period is 0.05 divided by 4, and the number of period is 4 multiplied 5, which is 20. After calculating, the feature value is RM19230.56. Next, we are given an amount of RM150000. To find the remaining balance, we subtract the feature value we just calculate. So RM150000 minus RM19230.56 equal RM130769.44. This value will be used in the next calculation. Now we move to the annuity section. The interest rate is 6.5% per year compoundingly, so M equal 12. The time period is 5 years, which gives us 16 payment. We use the annuity formula. A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of minus n bracket over I bracket. After substituting all the value, the bracket term is equal to 74.7036. So we divide RM130769.44 by 74.7039. Finally, we get R equal RM1750.51. This means the monthly payment is RM1750.51. User planned to purchase an apartment that cost RM158000. He had to pay a 10% down payment. In this question, the total price is RM158000. The down payment required is 10% of the total price. To find the down payment, we multiply RM158000 by 10%. After calculation, the down payment is RM15800. Next, the customer make a regular deposit of RM1178.04 every 3 months. That means R equal RM1178.04 and M equal 4. The interest rate given is 8%. In the value, we first calculate the interest rate per period. The interest rate per quarter is 0.08 divided by 4, which is 0.02. Now, we substitute all the value into the formula. The future value S is RM15800. The regular deposit R is RM1178.04, and then the interest rate per period I is 0.02. Next, we simplify the equation step by step to find the value of n. First, we divide RM15800 by RM1178.04. After simplification, we get 1.26824 equal 1.02 power of n. To solve for n, we take logarithm on both sides. After calculation, the value of n is 12.
For question 2b, user told them to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and was to be paid monthly at a 6% compounded monthly rate. B1, find the monthly payment for the loan. So first we need to find A. A equals cost of apartment minus S new. A equals 158,000 minus 50,800, and the answer is RM142,200. After that, we need to find I. I equals Q over M. I equals 0.06 divided by 12, and the answer for I is 0.005. N equals MT. N equals 12 multiplied by 25, and the answer for n is 300. Then we use present value formula. A equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket minus n over I close bracket. For the left side, 142,200, and for the right side equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.005 close bracket minus 300 over 0.005 close bracket. The left side 142,200, and the right side equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1.005 close bracket minus 300 over 0.005 close bracket. And then we need to solve all the equation in the bracket. And for the left side 142,002, and we need to change the position, so the left side R and the right side equals 142,200 over 100 2. And then we need to solve all the equations in the bracket. For the left side 142,200, and the right side equals to 155.207 R. So the left side R and the right side equals 142,200 over 155.207. So the final answer of R is RM916.20. For question B2, if user missed the 5-month payment, how much should he pay on his 6th payment? So we need to use feature value formula, which is S equal R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket n minus 1 over I close bracket. So R is equals RM916.20 I equals K over M equals 0.06 over 12, and the answer for I is 0.005. So N equals to 6. So we need to find S6, which is S6 equals to RM 916.20, open bracket 1 plus 0.005 close bracket 6 minus 1 over 0.005 close bracket. So for the left side, S6 equals to RM. So S6 equal RM 916.20, open bracket 1.005 close bracket 6 minus 1 over 0.005 close bracket. So we need to solve all the equations in the bracket. So for the left side, S6 equals, and the right side, RM 916.20, open bracket 6.755 close bracket. And for the answer for S6 equals to RM 5,566.37.